Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of atelectasis, large pleural effusion with collapsed lung tissue. Ultrasound allows the detection of small amounts of pleural lacular fluid with positive identification of amounts as small as 3 to 5 ml that cannot be identified by radiographs, which is only capable of detecting volumes above 50 ml of liquid. You can see the left lung and a large amount of thick enterbed fluid is seen in the left pleural cavity. No lung tissue is visible as the whole of the lung tissue has collapsed. Ultrasound can show you many details about this pleural effusion. Ultrasound may help to identify the cause of atelectasis like a large pleural effusion. More subtle findings can be include scalloped pleural borders as the pleura are pulled in towards the collapsed lung and crowded bronchi no longer separated by the same volume of the aerated lung. Pleural effusion is a condition that involves the buildup of fluid between the tissues, pleural cavity that line the lung and the inside of the chest wall. Atelectasis is usually associated with accumulation of blood, fluid, or air within the pleural cavity, which mechanically collapse the lung. This is frequent occurrence with pleural effusion caused by congestive heart failure. Now you can see the patient is in prone position. You can see the liver. Now you can see the left lung and collapsed lung tissue. I will show you the collapsed lung tissue floating inside the pleural fluid. Atelectasis is caused by a blockage of air passages, bronchus or bronchioles, or by pressure on the outside of the lung diseases, mucus that plugs the airway, pressure on the lung caused by a buildup of fluid between the ribs and the lungs called the pleural effusion. Now this is the collapsed lung tissue which is floating inside this large massive pleural effusion. Some cases of pleural effusion can have more serious complications depending on the severity of the condition, cause, and treatment used. Serious complications can include pulmonary edema or fluid in the lungs, which can result from draining fluid too quickly during thoracentesis. A collapsed lung feels like a sharp, stabbing chest pain that worsens on the breathing or with deep inspiration. This is referred to as pleuritic because it comes from irritation of nerve endings in the pleura, inner lining of the lip wall. Pain often radiates to the shoulder and or to the back. Diuretics and other heart failure medicines are used to treat pleural effusion caused by congestive heart failure or other medical causes. A malignant effusion may also require treatment with chemotherapy, radiotherapy, radiation therapy, and a medication infusion within the chest. Sadly, the average life expectancy of lung cancer with a malignant pleural effusion is less than 6 months. The median survival time, that is the time at which 50% of people will have died, is 4 months, though some patients may survive longer. Atelectasis is a common finding in the chest x-ray in inpatient settings, while atelectasis that clears with regular respiratory tolling may signify a benign etiology. It can be first sign of airway malignancy. Lung cancer is common, and smoking is the main risk factor for primary lung cancer. It is possible to have a partial or complete lung collapse. Sometimes a partial collapse might affect just a small portion of lung, and you may only have mild symptoms or may even feel nothing. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.